Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Just as I promised you a few days ago that you accompany me to the site as we are going to install a 21.28 kilowatt peak system. Today I want to show you the results. I hope you'll enjoy and you like it. So yeah, this is what we have installed. I can show you through the picture. You can see how this installation has been neatly done. I will also take you outside so that you can also see the panel. So from outside, if you can see, there on this roof is where we have installed our panels. This roof, the front roof side and the back side, we have installed also some of the panels, and there are others at a closer roof adjacent to this house. So what is happening is once all those panels are coming here, they are all in total there are 32 pieces. So we have 4 strings of 8 panels each per string. So we have divided them into 2 categories. So 2 strings for one inverter, the other 2 strings for the next inverter. So here we have the PV disconnect switch with an SPD connected to each string. So this is how basically all these things are connected together. So we have inverter 1 and inverter 2, which we have parallel them together to attain to this 2 kilowatt capacity of the inverter. So from these inverters we have they've been connected together by the battery through this battery bus bar. You can see neatly done through. Then we have the battery fuse disconnecting each inverter with the fuse. Then once we invert the DC current, all those power are brought to this AC panel, whereby we have the AC out breaker. Then we also have the AC in breaker, which is interconnected with the AC SPD and an AVS to stabilize the power that you're getting from the genset or KPLC. So from here we have 2 changeovers switch, automatic, to clarify. So the first automatic changeover is between the KPLC and the genset. This one is not yet completely done because we're waiting for the electrician to help us bring the cable for the genset here so that we can now complete this box. But basically the output of this changeover is taken to this second changeover, whereby solar is the first priority, then the output is going direct to the loads from this place. Then here we have the batteries, Weco 5K3 with 7,000 cycles. This battery can give you up to 19 years of usage, and after 19 years you have a residual capacity of 70% of this battery, so it can last you a whole generation per se. If you're thinking to invest and forget about the investment so that it can serve you. So some of the loads that this system is powering includes this TV that is here, and also this TV will be used to air some of the to air the monitoring system of this system, whereby you can be able to check how the system is performing. You have this light. Then let me show you some of the lights in the house. So we have the alarm system. You have these lights over here, and they go all the way through this. You can see beautiful lights. All these lights are being powered by that system. Complete for you. We have these lights. We have the fridge. This fridge is being powered by this system. Including this gym facility, it will be always be powered by this system. So whenever the client is exercising or keeping fit, they will always keep fit on green energy system. room or entertainment room is also being powered by the same system. Client even can enjoy the warmth during the cold season through the same system. So yeah, right here. So if you need a clean system like this, a good work, well neatly done work, you can always contact us, and we can always give you a beautiful system that can serve you with all your loads. I can even guarantee there are washing machines and dryers that they are in the other end of this building that we could not go there because there are some works that are continuing there, but they are currently running on this system as well. So hit us, our phone numbers are below, or you can engage us on our social media, and we can be able to give you a beautiful system like this. Thank you.